You are now watching Fresh Rex TV.
All right. Welcome everyone back to the video, back to the channel, back to a new update on my TSX. I know it's been a little while since I've done another video on this one, but major changes coming. We're here in the process of putting on a whole bunch of hybrid racing stuff. Shout outs to the whole team out there. Shout outs to Elite Rides for supplying me with all this stuff as well. Lots of little goodies I got from them. Super cool company, and I'm glad they're on board with the TSX platform. So I picked up quite a bit of stuff from them. You'll see here as we put them on. A couple little updates on the TSX. I did pick up some new wheels. TL Type S wheels. Always wanted these wheels, and I think it looks super great on this car. Almost like a TL Type S clone, kind of. Car's been doing very well. You know, just doing maintenance stuff. Actually getting it ready to take this to the Dragon. Tail of the Dragon, if you guys don't know what that is. It's a Classics Honda's on the Dragon. It's in October. I plan to take this car. And you know, God willing, it makes it all the way out there with no problems, which I'm sure it will. And gonna take good care of it and just do a lot of maintenance on it. Make sure it's bulletproof for the Dragon. But like I said, most hybrid racing stuff, truly love this company, and I'm super supportive of them. Not sponsored or anything, but if you guys are watching, let me know. I would love more stuff. I plan to buy a lot more stuff from them. Show you guys a little bit of what we've done already. Interior, of course. I do plan to change the shift knob. We're actually about to change that here soon. We just wrapped up doing a red valve cover with that oil cap, as you can see from Hybrid. Love how the red valve cover looks. Looks way better. Lots of little accessories I'm still gonna put on there. A bunch of little fluid changes we're doing. You know, Honda, everything, of course, Acura. Yeah, just having fun with the TSX, and like I said, doing a bunch of maintenance just to make sure it's all tip-top shape for it can last us and enjoy all the VTEC and all the turns and road trip that we're about to do. So stay tuned for more little updates on this. You know, it's just a beautiful sunny day and we're just having fun installing all these little parts. So stay tuned for all that. All right, wanted to show off this one real quick. The homie JSP's TSX right here. Full bolts on pretty much. You can see how crazy the build could get. Once again, a lot of hybrid racing stuff. Shout outs to them. We use their products. We love their products. This one's just got about pretty much fully bolt-ons right here. Skunk 2 intake manifold looks like. HPS intake. Lots of little bits and pieces he has, of course. Headers back there if you can't see. This one's just about wrapped up. We're trying to get them both ready, like I said. Motor mounts right here, of course, too. I plan to do those hopefully soon. Lots of opportunity for these builds, honestly, and you could truly see how crazy they could get, or how reliable and bulletproof and built they could be. This one is pretty unique and pretty cool. Lots of bits and pieces he puts on this one, and truly looks super nice and cool. And I can't wait to do this to mine, hopefully one day. Little by little. Hopefully that's a good enough angle for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this hybrid racing, I think a Delrin shift knob, I believe it's called, that 130R. Feels real good in the hand. These are one of the ones that are real light, won't burn or get too cold in the heat or winter. Gonna switch out this old OEM one, kind of give it a little refresh in here. Adjustable wrench right here. Do it that way. This comes right off. This one's definitely seen better days, obviously, but it's time to upgrade it. throw this nice cool one on here. It's a little bit more elevated, but I'm definitely gonna like how it is a lot more. Make sure it's nice. I think I want to do the hybrid right there. It's always facing me. Make sure you tighten that up. Nice and snug. That's not going nowhere. Yeah, and that's overall how it looks. Looks super good. Feels way better. Yeah. Quick other angle how it looks. Super sweet on there, honestly. Went with the black one. It just kind of fits all well with the whole interior being all black. It kind of suits it real nice. I love how it's kind of a little extended, a little bit taller. I love how the shift feels way more now. Shout out once again Hybird Racing, of course, for everything that's been going on with this build. I plan to do a lot more stuff with them, of course. This is just the beginning with them. Interior's starting to look a lot more sporty yet classy.
Put more lighting soon.
Yeah, that would be cool.
We get some more lights in here.
Fits like a glove. Oil dipstick, Hybird Racing. As you can see, the oil cap and dipstick now. Super great quality. The fit and finish is amazing on these things. Couldn't have chose a better one, to be honest. Yeah, little by little it's coming. Super, super fresh and clean. Once again, I love how the red valve cover looks. Should have came like that stock, to be honest. A little more accessories we're gonna throw on this. Stay tuned for more on this. So as you could tell, coil pack cover, of course. Hybird Racing again. I wanted to get just about everything for the valve cover, all the dress up stuff that they made. Like I said, this is truly everything I want to do with them. Let's try to get every single part that they made for this platform. Just super supportive of them. Of course, like I said, huge shout outs to them. They make amazing products. Everything fits well, looks nice and flush, keeps it kind of sporty but yet aggressive. As you can tell, new bolts and everything supplied by them for the coil packs. Super, super clean here. All right, as you guys can see, we're installing the Hybird Racing heavy duty Detent springs. Here's a little quick comparison of how they look. These are the Hybird Racing ones, a lot more stronger, and overall build quality is a little bit different than the OEM. A little taller actually too. It looks like a little bit more thicker in size, paws. So these are definitely going to give the shifter feel a lot more different aggressiveness and just more notchy. So we're going to install these. Here's the part number once again if you guys want to get this. Hybird Racing. All right. Wanted to close out the video here with the finale, I guess, of the refresh that we just did on the TSX. Me and the homie JSP, aka John, shout out to him, man, for helping me out and doing all this. He knows a lot about this platform, and I'm truly starting to learn a lot more about it as well. Falling way more in love with this car, of course. And I guess since the last time you guys seen it, like I mentioned earlier, I did get these TL Type S wheels. Shout out to Lee, man, if you're watching, for the hookup on these. I think they look beautiful. I love how the car turned out. Originally, these are the wheels that I wanted for sure, so I also raised the car a little bit. Still kind of messing around with the suspension height. I may lower it a little bit more, but so far it's looking real good. Threw on some all seasons 235 45 Falcons on there. Real nice. Love those. Shout out to the homie Lambino for those, man. Yeah, overall, this car's been super fun. Just been having fun with it, doing little transitions here and there, little transformations. Just overall, just tapping into the aftermarket world. As you can see, like we just did a bunch of Hybird Racing stuff. Shout out once again to them. Love that coil pack cover, oil dipstick, oil cap. Super nice. Even got that radiator cap that we just flushed out the coolant on. Car's riding super good. Threw in some new spark plugs, valve cover gasket set actually, with the red valve cover. Love that. Looks real good now. Yeah, overall, been having super fun with this car. Man, I mean, shout outs to everyone that's been showing love. That last video did super well. All the CL9, CL7 TSX people out there in the world, shout out to all you. Lots of positivity and love showed on that last video, and man, this car is a blast. I'm happy to, you know, start working with some companies. Not that I'm sponsored or anything, but Hybird, if you're watching, shout outs to you guys. I love the guys' team that they have over there, and overall the quality and work that they do. I love it. As you can see, we just added a bunch of stuff. I plan to add way more stuff from them. Try to get everything from their catalog, so to say. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, everyone. Shout outs to everyone. Shout outs to all the new subscribers, to continue the support, the like, the comments. I go through it all. I appreciate it all. And stay tuned for more episodes, more videos, more updates on my builds. But as of right now, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.